This is Daisy. She is just a girl who may or may not have a shopping problem.
Hold on, let me put you down. 80 safety matches. They're really long, and you like swipe it here, you go.
Oh, you shit.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Oh, this is cute, this UV gel light. If y'all like make junk cases, y'all could use one of these. Somebody asked me this before, but yes, you can use a UV light for your junk cases and your nails. And this one, ow, damn. And this one, dang, focus. It's $12.99. Y'all, while I'm in the store and the lady got so close to me. I hate when somebody does that. Like you're in an aisle and it's like all this space and the person gets so close to you. Like, why are you so close to me? Move. Oh, hold on, my phone was sliding. These are such cute clips. Well, these are cute. I look like a little egghead. My hair is still wrapped up in flexi rods. And I have a hood on because it's gloomy outside. But they have snail mucin. Oh, it's only $16.99 here. I still have some from when I bought it before. It was nice, but I just stopped using it. I don't know why. This is a humidifier stick. Okay. I'm looking for Hello Kitty stuff to see if they had like mirrors or something. Hello Kitty mirrors. I haven't made it over there yet. Okay, let's see. This selection is not good. Oh, the beveling bags that everybody's going crazy. This is a cute color.
Yeah.
Oh, look, they got a Bottega dupe. $29.99. This is cute. It gives me like Longchamp and Bottega mixed together, like a hybrid. I have enough purses, and I don't like purses at all, actually, y'all. Like, I don't like to carry bags. Oh, this is cute. Now, this is a cute belt. This is cute, right? I'm looking at everything I don't like. I don't like belts like that. Like, I can't stand belts. I never wear belts. I'm looking at a bunch of stuff that I don't wear. Okay. You know what I'm in here for? Mugs. I love, like, cute mugs. So, let's see. Oh, look at all the baby stuff. Girl clothes be so cute. Like, this is such cute, all the girl clothes. The boy clothes don't be as cute. This was all the girl section. That's all girls. And then, oh Lord, the boy section is just these two aisles here. They do the boys so dirty. Oh, look, they have pretty towels and stuff. It's cute. I'm about to go try to find mugs. Okay, strawberry. Okay, here we go. Oh, look what they got. I have to get her. Look. I have Mr. Potato Head already, so now I have Mrs. This is fire. Let me sit y'all up here. That's my favorite thing to do, stick up my middle finger. I have to have some class, but class is clearly not in session. Look at this. This is so cute. This is so cute, y'all. And I have the Mr. Potato Head one. I had the Mr. Potato, and I got mine from Marshall's before. Okay, let me look and see what other mugs they have. But I'm definitely gonna get this one. So let me put this up here. I see they have, y'all, I had the worst attitude before I seen that because my period's coming. And I always have like the worst attitude, but like little stuff like this makes me so happy. So this is like Woody, and it says howdy. It's cute. $7.99. It's cute, but it's nothing like, you know, like Mrs. Potato Head was like, it's nothing as, you know. Now this one is cute. This is really nice. It has like the balloons. I think this is This is up. This is a nice contender. This is on the ballot. Okay. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna get this one. Look, it's Snoopy, right? Is this what it's called? It's Snoopy. This is cute. Isn't that cute? So I think I'm definitely getting this one. This one. Mommy, I'm in the cup section. Come over here.
Where are you at?
I'm in the cup section.
In the what?
In the cup section here. You ready to go?
Alright, I'm coming. All these different little shoes on there. Cute.
Me too. I got some cups. I'm done. I'm about to come over there. Hold on.
I'm in the bag section now.
All right. Bye. So this is okay, but nothing I'm gonna miss. So I don't think I'm gonna get this one. It was alright, but I'm gonna get these two, Snoopy and Mississippi Potato Head. So come on. I'm gonna make sure I get my thumbnails. Hold on, let me put you down. Thumbnail. You see how nice how happy? You see how when you're happy, you glow? Because a second ago I had an attitude and I was not happy. Like I was irritated. My period's coming, but I'm a little bit happier. Let's go. Come on. I hate when I'm outside and I have a bunch of stuff in my hand because I start to feel like I'm missing something or I left something. Look.
Oh, nice, cute.
Here. This is the one I want right here. I want the cherry scented Jergens. Oh, this is Shimmer. This is Shimmer body oil. This is cute. Can y'all see it? Y'all can't see. These bottles are so popular now, right? And I remember when I first saw them, I was like, oh my God, I want that. And it was so hard for you to find them. Ooh, I just poked myself right in my forehead. And it was so hard for you to find them. Now you could just find them anywhere. Oh, this is a cute outfit. This is cute. Very cute. They don't have my size, so I guess that's cool. Oh, and then they have the pants version. See, this is the pants. And these are the shorts. Cute. I want a job so I can have somewhere to wear this stuff to. Like, I want to wear, I probably couldn't wear that to work. But, like, I want a job. That's cute. For who? Definitely not for you. Oh my God, I love striped jeans. I'm trying to find me some. Alright. They're alright, but they're nothing to go crazy about. Okay, I'm going to sit. You guys know what I want? I want jorts. I want some jorts. And I know y'all might be like, girl, so get some jorts. But I have to find the right ones. I ain't gonna lie, ever since I make my own phone cases, other people's phone cases don't hit like mine. Oh, let me go check by the register because they have what's that called? They have cups by the registers too. So let me go see. Hold on. Ta-da! I like the, okay, this is cute. Look, this one is from Monsters Universe, right? Monsters Inc. I think it's called. Is that what it's called? Y'all, I'm getting old. Let me hold this thing. But I think it's called Monsters Inc. I'm trying to make sure I get my angles because I don't want to be looking crazy. Oh, this is cute for like teachers and stuff. And hi, Mom. I'm at the register. I am at the register.
Well, just you can trust it.
Let me go see. I'm about to come.
Sanders. Stay over here. Look, I'm right here.
Okay, I see you. Okay, y'all, look, I got distracted. They got Spider-Man graphic tees. It has Spider-Man on the back and the front. You didn't see this shirt here? Oh, this is nice. You can't wear it, but this is cute. You've seen this. Or did you not see it? Lady? All right, well. Why am I giving y'all a tour of, what is this, Marshall's? Oh, look at the candles. Look at, oh, They broke it. I didn't break this. They broke it. It was broke when I got here. They broke it before I got there. I didn't break that candle.
Oh, look. Dun, 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 dun. Like a damn snitch. Oh, man, that's cold. Look like you about ready to go tell on somebody right damn now. Where your flashlight at?
This is what it looks like because they broke it. It was supposed to sit in here. It's fries. And here's the stem or the wick. And then they were just breaking it. And here's they have Chinese food. See the Chinese takeout. It says thank you and a lot. That's it. And then they have, this is $1. It's on clearance for $1. It's $1. They have this.
Hi, miss.
Yes.
Would you like $1 or do you want to double it and give it to the next person?
Give it $1.
But I ain't break that candle at all. Oh, they have this one. This one is $2. This is a teddy bear. Oh my god, this one is $20, but it's a buzz. Look. It's literally like a buzz. This is so cute. It smells good too. It smells pretty good. These don't really have any scent to them, so I can see why they're on sale. Not much of a scent. And then I'm seeing they also have these 80 safety matches. They're really long and you like swipe it here. You go. You know, you do that. So they have that here. That's cute. I'm exploring Marshalls with y'all. And I come to this Marshalls all the time. I'm gonna come to this Marshalls. Oh, my mama lips look dry. I've been coming to this Marshalls for years. I'm just finding out. Because I'm always in a clothes section. Or I go to like the planners section. But this is nice. This is a nice ensemble that they have there. It's nice. This is $2. It don't smell like nothing. It smells like absolutely nothing. What can I get myself into? I'm like a kid left unattended. You just can't leave me like this. This one stinks. It's called Storm. The notes in it is cassis, orange, pineapple, lychee, raspberry, violet, jasmine. Smells like havoc. It don't smell like a storm. And they got the nerve to have it in a big one. Hold on. Yeah, it's the same scent. This is called Fig and Amber. Sweet fig melded with amber, tonka, and osmanthus. Coconut soy wax blend. And the candles. Girl, hold on. Okay. Lord, whatever. All right, well, that's my little candle section. There's not much here, and I'm not smelling all those candles, girl. Let's go. I know people be seeing me with this camera like, yo, this girl is so weird, but it's like, this is my career. This is my job. You ain't got no job. Oh Lord, my mom about to give me the tea. Hold on, y'all. Bye. Okay, so now. Maybe I should have did it this way. Now, I'm in the fragrances. So, ooh, right here. This smells good. It smells a little too vanilla-y, but good. What?
I still got to take class. Both of them was on my phone, Mr. Dennis and Miss Cynthia. He texted me. He took about
These little bottles, $12.99. $12.99. Huh?
Why they so big?
It stink. This one stink. Ew. I don't like this sucre de coton. What is that, peaches? I don't like this fruit du dragon. I don't like this either. Try not to knock my camera over. I don't like this either. I don't like none of these fragrances. And these little things got the nerve to be $12.99. Look how look. $12.99. $12.99 for this. For this. Sure. And they stink. Vanilla rose smell. Oh, sorry. Oh, they got perfume oils. This one open. I'm sitting here telling y'all like y'all probably like, girl, what we gonna do? What can we do? Right, y'all can't do nothing. I'm just out here snitching.
What?
And here I am, my eyes wandering, seeing what else I could get into next, right? All right, you ready?
Do you think I can wear this stuff?
Yeah, you skinny. I don't know why you think you so big, Ma. I keep telling you that. Like, you act like you on my 600-pound life. Like, lady, you was standing there. You wasn't thinking about going, and I came and you want to go. I'm not even rushing to go. This is cute. Juicy. I don't like purses like that, Ma. Oh, my God, y'all. They got more candles. They have more candles. This is cute. It's lemons. These don't have no smell. Like, they have cute. They have cute decor, but they don't have no smell. This one has smell. I lied. I just lied. This one $12.99. It smells sweet. It smells like a cake. Sweet. Yeah, this one smells like fruit. I guess those clearance ones, that's why they was on clearance, because they wasn't hitting on nothing. It smells like fruit. They put the same fruity fragrances in all of these candles. It smell like. Oh, this smell good. Sweet pea pomegranate. Bye, y'all. Oh my God, they got a new lip gloss, y'all. Look. Hold on. Let me get myself together. I'm not ready. No. I was just getting myself together. Don't worry. Oh, these are some cute anklets. Y'all, look. They have new. These are new. They're plumping. I'm gonna get me a couple to see. Oh, look. They got new lip glosses. This is cute, right? They got strawberry now. I'm gonna give me some strawberry. Yes, that's Daisy.